Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video I will show you some beautiful and amazing crochet poncho designs for women and girls. So these are designs very lightweight and breathable for the summer use. Crochet ponchos are often made with lightweight and breathable yarns, making them ideal for warm weather. Poncho can be worn over a swimsuit, paired with shorts, or even worn as a dress, making them a versatile addition to any summer wardrobe. And like crochet ponchos are often a simple and quick project, making them a great choice for beginner crocheters. So if you are running a small business, I would definitely recommend you to have the quality ponchos, and you can discover these ideas for your wardrobe, for your customers, so you can get the good orders and good sales. And yeah, protection from the sun. A poncho can provide some protection from the sun, making it a great option for outdoor activities, as well as they are stylish. Colors and patterns can add a stylish touch to any summer outfit. Plus, they are comfortable and sustainable. And crocheting a poncho can be a cost-effective option compared to purchasing a store-bought poncho. So this can also be a gift idea. A handmade crochet poncho can make a thoughtful and personalized gift for a loved one, so you can gift it to someone else. And yeah, that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite poncho designs from this video. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.